Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat Hari Raya. So now already been through a long holiday. So I hope you are still okay, fine, and we are getting to move to our new lab module. It is third last. So we're going to see a bit on assembly, how to create assembly, and next tutorial will be the drafting and also FEA. So first of all, while doing assembly, there's a theory or essential info that you need to know. Okay, first, when we create assembly, so it is not a CAT part. In CATIA is not a CAT part, so it is a CAT product. Okay, so the file you are saving is not a CAT part anymore. So you see here there are CAT part. So this so this type of file is, you see, CAT part or CAT model. So CAT part is a single part, so CAT model is a product. Okay, so we're going to combine all these part to make it as a product. Okay, so we're going to have an assignment lastly. So if you see the PDF file on week 7, so at last you're going to have an assignment. Okay, so first of all, I'd like to show you how to start. So to start, we will see less than 4 minutes. So new, so we're going to choose a product. Okay, not part. This time is product. Okay, so the tree here is your product tree. So you can change it to whatever name you want. So you see, this is your mini project, for your mini project. So you can put mini project or put your team group name or anything. So during assembly, two toolbar that you need to be in front of you is the product structure toolbar and constraint. So this product structure toolbar is important to insert component. So this constraint is important to combine component. And also take note that this update toolbar icon, the yin and yang, should be there, so that you update, you know, your part order allocation soon. Okay, so first we're going to open. So you can do by this new part or existing component. Sorry, use existing component here or existing component here, or insert existing component here. So there's 3 or 4 ways that you to insert the component. So we're going to use this one, existing component. So hopefully all the parts are in one folder. So choose one part. This is a part. Okay, so this is product, I think. So we can open a product, but maybe a problem. Okay, so we're going to open this, for example, engine. So the idea is to put the larger one or the base part model and include other small component within the base part. So this is a bottom up assembly. You see the slide, the lecture, this is a bottom up, not top down. Okay, so first we go have this here, engine here. So this is the base. We can move it, so move it by using this axis. make sure it is green, so you can turn it around. Okay, you can move it as you want. Okay, and even you can fix it. So if you fix the component, so you fix this south, means that it will fix that. What it mean by fix? So you change it to here, you update it, we go back to the original position. Okay, thank you, see you in the next video.